Welcome to our channel, where we explore the profound teachings of the Bible and delve into its timeless wisdom. In today's video, we will embark on a spiritual journey as we study one of the most beloved passages from the book of Psalms. Psalm 70, a quest for God's swift deliverance and urgent assistance. Psalm 70, an emotive outcry imploring God's deliverance and urgent aid, encapsulates a concise yet forceful passage wherein the psalmist articulates their profound yearning for divine intervention during moments of turmoil and adversity. In this discourse, we shall delve into the profound teachings enshrined in Psalm 70, dissecting its applicability to our daily lives. Through this exploration, we shall unveil the resonance between this sacred scripture and our personal encounters, illuminating how it guides us in our quest to seek divine succor during challenging junctures. The psalm commences with an ardent entreaty for God's prompt action. Hasten, O God, to save me. Come quickly, Lord, to help me. This initial verse serves as a heartfelt invocation, beseeching the Almighty to intercede with expeditiousness. The psalmist's plea radiates a palpable sense of urgency, firmly rooted in their unshakable confidence in God's omnipotence to offer immediate assistance. As the narrative unfolds, the psalmist further elaborates on their distress, revealing, "May those who want to take my life be put to shame and confusion. May all who desire my ruin be turned back in disgrace." This poignant expression exposes the psalmist's fervent appeal for retribution and safeguarding against their adversaries. They implore God's intervention, yearning for the thwarting of their foes' machinations and seeking divine protection from impending harm. The psalmist's unwavering reliance on God's deliverance assumes greater prominence in the ensuing verse. "May those who say to me, Aha, aha, turn back because of their shame." This poignant statement signifies the psalmist's longing for vindication and a complete reversal of their foes' derision and taunting. The psalmist firmly trusts that God shall overturn the tables upon those who harbor ill intent, seeking their ultimate downfall. Throughout the entirety of Psalm 70, the psalmist consistently acknowledges their profound dependence on divine assistance. They acknowledge the inadequacy of their personal strength and abilities in surmounting the adversities they confront. Instead, they humbly turn to God, beseeching His intervention and surrendering to His supreme sovereignty. In the tapestry of our individual lives, the teachings encapsulated within Psalm 70 reverberate profoundly. We, too, experience moments of distress wherein we find ourselves overwhelmed, besieged by adversaries, or burdened by circumstances beyond our control. During such trying times, this psalm emerges as a poignant reminder of the transcendental power of prayer and our unwavering reliance on God's expeditious deliverance. The practical applications of Psalm 70 in our daily existence are manifold. Firstly, it exhorts us to cultivate a habitual inclination toward turning to God in moments of tribulation. Rather than solely relying on our own faculties or seeking solutions within the constraints of our finite understanding, we are beckoned to beseech God's divine guidance and aid. Through heartfelt prayers, we can unburden our souls, place our troubles in His hands, and embrace His impeccable timing. Secondly, this psalm instills within us the virtues of patience and perseverance. While the psalmist yearns for swift deliverance, their unwavering trust in God's timing remains resolute. Similarly, within the tapestry of our own lives, we may not invariably encounter instantaneous answers or solutions to our challenges. Psalm 70 serves as a resolute reminder to place our trust in God's perfect timing and to exhibit unwavering faith in the face of adversity. Moreover, the teachings embedded within Psalm 70 impel us to introspect and evaluate the state of our own hearts and attitudes. It challenges us to respond to arduous circumstances with an unwavering trust in God, rather than succumbing to the insidious grip of fear or despondency. By fervently seeking God's deliverance, we acknowledge that our ultimate hope rests solely in Him, allowing His divine influence to operate within and through us, effectuating the desired outcomes. In conclusion, Psalm 70 serves as a poignant testament to our intrinsic need for God's expeditious deliverance and urgent assistance. It galvanizes us to turn to Him fervently during moments of distress, seeking His intervention while placing unyielding faith in His impeccable timing. Through this sacred psalm, we glean profound insights into the virtues of patient endurance, unwavering faith, and the transformative potency of prayer. Let us wholeheartedly embrace the profound teachings of Psalm 70 and find solace in God's unwavering deliverance and swift succor as we navigate the challenges strewn along the path of life. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of Psalm 70. May this timeless passage continue to inspire and guide you on your spiritual journey. If you found this video meaningful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful Bible teachings. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Stay connected with us as we continue to dive into the rich teachings of the Bible, seeking wisdom and understanding for our lives. Thank you for watching, and may the Lord be your shepherd, guiding you always.